Warm welcome to all of you. Today I am going to show you how to make Kashmiri Haakh or collard greens in Kashmiri style, also called as Haakh. These greens are simply cooked yet taste heavenly. It's a staple dish in Kashmir's household and is kind of eaten every single day without getting bored. Haakh is the star of Kashmiri everyday meal and as well as for special occasions. So let's get started. For making this, I have taken 7 to 8 garlic cloves chopped, salt according to our taste, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri wur or spice cake. It's optional, you can skip it if you don't have. Red dried chilies chopped, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of fried shallots, or you can use onion if you don't have, a pinch of baking soda, oil around 4 to 5 tablespoons, and haakh or collard greens around 1 kg, washed and drained. Started, I am keeping a glass of water handy. Now I'll turn on the flame and I'll heat up oil in a cooker. Once the oil is hot, I'll add turmeric and chili powder. Saute and add a glass of water. Make sure chilies don't burn, and if you are using onion, you can saute them first, then add chili powder and turmeric powder. After adding water, add chopped garlic, dried chilies, salt, shallots, and bring it to boil. Once it starts to boil, we will add haakh or collard greens. Mix properly. Make sure all the leaves are coated with oil and water mixture. Here the flame is high. Haakh will release its water. Keep it on high flame for 5 to 7 minutes with occasionally stirring. We don't have to cover it. There are a few tips that we do to retain its greenish color. You can see it has released water also. Now I'll be adding a pinch of baking soda. Mix properly. It has been cooking on high flame for around 5 to 7 minutes. Now I'll close the lid of cooker. If you are not using cooker, you can simply add more water. So I'll close the lid and cook it up to 3 whistles on high flame. So once cooker whistles thrice, I'll turn off the flame and take out the whistle like this and let it cool down. After opening the lid, here you can see. So I'll again turn on the flame and keep it on high flame till it's a bit tender. And I'm adding this wur masala. I have mixed it with water. Haakh or collard greens are a bit crunchy and they have a nice texture and mouthfeel. So we don't need to overcook them. We have to be careful. So I'll keep it on high flame for a few minutes till they become a bit tender. Stirring it till it's tender. So after around 5 to 7 minutes on high flame, our haakh is ready and it's with bit gravy also, you can see. So now we'll dish it out. Haakh has a warmth and a nourishing vibe, and it's loved by everyone in the valley. Give it a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.